Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so I was trying to think of something that would be really fun for you guys to do either on your own or with your family. And then the more I thought about it, I was like, hello, origami would be amazing. So I went online, I found like some tutorials and things like that, and I actually found something really neat, and it was how to make a jumping frog. So this can be fun because first of all, you're just like, you can learn how to make an origami frog, but also you can play with them. So you can have them do flips, you can have them jump in the air, you can try and do a race with your siblings or your parents. Have each of you can make your own frog and then try and like have a start line and a finish line and see who can get theirs fast enough. So I'm going to show you mine. I've already done it. And rather than me show you how to do it, I'm just going to share the link to the video that I used because honestly, it was really easy to follow. I'm usually terrible at origami. Those of you that know me know that. I'm so bad at origami. Even when I'm doing the origami books, like the easy ones, I still mess them up. You guys are so much better at this than I am. So anyways, I'm not going to lie, it doesn't look like a frog. It looks a little more like a box to me when I decorate it, but it's fine. But like so, it's got, you know, his legs here, or his front little legs here, his back legs here, and this part right here is the thing that's going to make it hop. So I'm going to do my best to try and make it hop on here. It's kind of hard. But here's my little dude, so look. Woo! So he can hop up high. He can kind of, see. I don't know, I just thought this was super cute. Oh no, he fell. But anyways, it's super cute. It's super fun. It took me like 5 minutes to make. And you can make a bunch of these if you want. Like I said, it'd be fun to try and race them. It's also kind of fun to decorate them. So yeah. I do want to show you though, because in the video it shows you how to do it if you have origami paper. But if you don't have origami paper, that's kind of a problem, right? I didn't have origami paper. What I did was I took just regular computer, like printer paper, just an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And what you're going to do is you need a square piece of paper in order to do an origami, okay? So you're going to take the top corner, it doesn't matter which corner, and you're going to fold it down even with the bottom line here, okay? The really big thing here is you've got to make sure that you're making it even, okay? So you're going to bring the top piece down to here, and you're going to kind of make like a triangle. Let's see. So you have to make sure that the corner here and this part here are even. So you don't have any like paper laying over, and then this piece you're going to smooth out, flatten out. Okay, so you don't want to have any hanging out. I'm trying to fix mine because I had a little hanging over. So see how it meets up perfectly here? You don't want any overlap. So then now this piece right here is the part that you're going to cut off, okay? So you're going to cut right up here, this extra piece. Okay. Then when you open it, you have your square piece of paper that you can use to create your origami. So this is where the video starts. So you want to make sure you have this paper finished and ready to go so that way you can start folding. Alright, well, good luck. I hope you're able to make a super cute frog, or in my case, a fox frog. I don't know. Alright, well, have fun, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.